Hello guys, we will now make one simple calculator in Java, in Eclipse. First what we're gonna do, we should make some project. We should click here and open the new Java project. We give a new name, for example, my calculator. Every Java program should have one class. Without class, the program could not have function. And we should make a new class. We could make the new class here and name it like calculator. We should not, of course, do the public static void main. Without main, the program could not have function. So, okay. And now, what we're gonna do? We should have two variables for the numbers, of course, for number 1 and number 2, and we should have one variable that will define which mathematical operation we will gonna do. And I will suggest to use a double, like a tab for the integer for the number 1 and number 2, because doubles, when you use doubles, you could work with decimals. In integer you could not do this. So double number 1, double number 2, and we should have one string for the operation. And now we need to let the user to the input his numbers and his operation. So we need one scanner, one object of the class scanner that will scan all what one user will input in the program. And it's going to now we need the numbers, and we now say System.out.println give the first number. Could do this and send them now that number 1 is scan.nextDouble. With this we gave the new value for the number 1. It will be the input that will be given from the user. Now we take the second number, it's going the same, and now we should take the operation. Now we use also the scan, and I will use a common next, because next will take the input between two enters. Not between two enters, just before we take the next enter. And now we have two numbers, we have operation. Now we need to use one one switch case method to take what will the program do when comes some command for the mathematical operation. And we take if switch operation. In this method we will take some case. That's something simple with if-else statement. In this example, it's the function is the same. And so now we have some cases that say what would happen if the operation is the plus, is this character, this string. In this method we should have breaks that will stop. For example, if operation plus is, the program will do everything what we write here and then break and nothing more do. If there is no this break, this will just do everything what is there written in every case, independent of this what we input. So now we must write the code for every case, and we need to think what we need. We need one print on the console with the result, and we could do this, for example, like so. We could say your result, and then we should give the value of the result. I decide to not to get the new variable for the result. I will just so right here, and we have here mistakes. So the input of console will like this System.out.println your result, and then we'll give the number that will be addition of these two numbers. And you could now hear some mistake. Aha, I didn't say what I did do. So number one, number two, I just mixed the names. So let's try the program. Give the console here, give the first number, second number, plus, and it's 22 the result. The same we are going to do here. We could just copy this, paste, and minus, because we are talking about substitution. The same we could do for the multiplication, and now it's coming division. For division we have some problem. in mathematics division with null is not possible, and we need to think about it, how to stop the program if the number 2 is null. How to handle this? I will do this like so. If you want that program works, the number 2 should not be null. So we say if number 2 not same null is, do this. So divide two numbers, but make the else statement. If the number 2 is null, then the division is not possible, and we should stop this and make some warnings. So like error, division with null is not possible. And let's try the program. The second number is null, and division error, division with null is not possible. Now we have some problem. We want that the program repeat and work again, but it does not doing. Now we should think about how to make the program that always repeat the operation and always give the new calculator, because without to run again the program like this. So I would say so. I would do one while loop, and the while loop, I will take everything in while loop, the whole program, and then return everything. For the while loop, we should have some condition. Now let's think how to make that always this condition positive is that the program always repeat. I would make one boolean. Boolean is one type in Java that could be true or false, and make it the name x is true, and then say while x same while x true is, repeat the program, and here I will do just some print on the console to divide the two different calculators, two circles of calculators, so to say. And then we made all program in while loop. And what is doing here? Boolean x is true, and it will be always true because we initialize variable so, and we say while x true is, and it will be always true. This everything what is while loop, and the whole program is while loop. Return, and it will repeat it. We have some problem there. I think yeah, I did that too much. Just have some problems. Yeah, that's just not good. No, same. So I'll cycle number 8, then half, second number 9 minus 5, second number no, divide. Error division is not possible. So the whole program function, to make some repeat to everything, you should have two variables. That will be number 1, number 2, and that could be double, integer, float, but in this I did double. And you should have one string operation that will define which operation we want to do, addition, subtraction, or something others. To let the user to input all numbers and mathematical operation, you should have some scanner that will scan all inputs, and you should let the user to make input of everything. And then with one switch case operation, you should handle what program will gonna do when some case happen, when some special operation choose this. And that's everything. With while loop, you could repeat the program to work always. That's also the everything. So thank you guys, and if you have some questions, ask.